How does James Hardie compare against LP's SmartSide siding, which is, another type of hard siding that isn't a vinyl plastic product? LP SmartSide has been around for several years. It was known by different names in the past. SmartSide is kind of their newer version of it. I do have some concerns with LP SmartSide, specifically in the St. Louis market. One of the things that they mention in their exclusions of their warranty is that they do not cover swelling and edge checking. What that means is the bottom of the board of each plank is going to swell and probably split in check. Because it's a wood product, it expands and contracts. Moisture does get wicked into it, both by rain and humidity. That's something they're not going to cover. And that gives me a lot of concern because we're going to get a lot of humidity and rainfall in St. Louis. And so the fact that they don't cover it, they don't even warranty their product at all in the Pacific Northwest. So that tells me it's probably not a good fit. I have trouble offering products to my clients that I don't think are going to hold up for many, many years. And so for that reason alone, we try to deter our clients from using LP SmartSide because Hardie has been proven to withstand the extreme weather conditions and hold up very well. And when you look at it from a price point perspective, LP and Hardie are within a couple dollars of each other. So just for the pure advantages of Hardie alone over LP SmartSide, for the same price, why wouldn't you choose Hardie? Both LP and Hardie have their lap sidings, their board and batten, they have shake options. I think Hardie's shake looks more authentic because the keyways of the shake are fully through versus LP's shake is just a recessed panel. So it looks a little bit kind of faux in my opinion. LP tends to also have a very glossy finish. Some people like it. I tend to prefer Hardie with more of a satin finish. I don't want my house to look like wet paint all the time. And so I like the fit and finish of Hardie better. I think it looks more elegant. The wood grain is a little softer, whereas LP has a very knotty, heavy cedar-ish looking wood grain. So most of our clients tend to prefer the look of Hardie over LP anyway. And then from a customization standpoint, they're both pretty comparable, but I think Hardie tends to give a more elegant look when we create the full picture of the house.